Applying similar actions to purchase order one by one can be a tedious task. To avoid this, Orderhive allows to perform certain actions on an order in bulk. In this tutorial, we will see how to use the bulk update feature for purchases. For this, first go to Purchases. Select multiple purchase order. Then click on More and select Bulk Update. This will pop up a new window. Select an option from the drop-down list of action that you wish to apply on the purchase orders. Once you select the action, click on Submit. It will be applied to the selected purchase orders. You will also receive a notification on the top right corner as the process gets completed. You will also be able to view a log file confirming the update. Just be careful about bulk updating as it cannot be undone. Hope this was an easy one. If you need to know more, just use this chat icon to connect with a product expert. Subscribe to Orderhive channel for more such tutorials. Happy selling!